Hi, welcome to Mr. Rammage's Yellow Pencil Mathematics. Today we're going to talk about changing decimals to percentages. A percent means parts per hundred. So to find a percentage of something, we must split a whole unit into 100 equal parts, and then the percent would be the number of those equal parts we have. A percent is a number to the hundreds place. Well, because I know this, if I can say a number correctly, then I already know how to write it as a decimal, and then once I have it into a decimal, I can easily change it to percent. For instance, 0.16. Well, if I read that, that would be 16 hundredths. Oh, 16 hundredths is a decimal, but it's also a fraction. So that's 16 over 100. Now, anytime I have it in 100ths, I already have my decimal. So 16 hundredths would equal 16%. Now, there's several ways I can achieve this. Now, I'm going to show you just the really easy way to do it. So if I had 0.16, when I multiply by 100, what I'm really doing is just moving my decimal. 100 has two zeros, so I need to move my decimal to the right two places. 1, 2, so that would equal 16 hundredths. And it's as easy as that. Now, if I can change a decimal to percent by multiplying by 100, then I could change a percent back to a decimal by using the opposite operation. So I could just divide by 100. Now, that's not as much fun as multiplying. I could still do it. Like 40%, that would be 40 divided by 100. But just like a while ago, I showed you that you could move the decimal two places to the right. With division, you're just moving your decimal two places to the left. So if I start out with 40%, well, there's no decimal showing there, but it's still always there. It's right here behind the zero, right behind the ones place. So that's 40 decimal. Now, if I'm going to move the decimal two places to the left, I would just move it over 1 and 2, put the decimal back in, so put a 0 in front, and I would have 4/10 is equal to 40%. You guys have a nice day.